Ki Riewngeit Buddhist na jat ban Rieu Tibetan ki basong basa ha Shillong ki lapanlong ya ka jingge khi de ki jingduai bala panlong ha Shillong Garden Buddhist Monastery halum paring kani ka jingge khi golong ban persha halor ka jing penmi Khubor Lamler ki lat pathai Khubor na China ha ka baya de bad u Dalai Lama ukli jakan yam Buddhist ha ka perthai ha bakran ha ki lat pathai Khubor na kalyang unong yalam ki pai Riewngeit Buddhist uraya thu ba kat kum ka jing priang ki lat pathai Khubor na China ya u Dalai Lama kalong ka ba Lamler ka Khubor kaya thu ba we ukhna ulat kran shakila pathai Khubor ha Tibet halor ka jingkmen ka jong u ban yo lar ban kudop bar ban yakran ba udalai lama ha ka alpu pratari uramphang henry hadin shibnai ka we kala pathai Khubor na ka Sorkar China kala penmi yakani ka video bat kala penmi Lamler ka jingkran jong ni ukhna da ka bakran persha ya udalai lama na kalyang kini ki Riewngeit Buddhist kila Pynrem jor halor kani ka jingle jong kani kala pathai Khubor jong ka Sorkar China kila dawa bakade ban panmap na udalai lama ban sange ban pensapriang ya kanika Khubor Lamler kipa Riewngeit Buddhist kila rai ban khang ya kidukan arsni ha ka arpho bat aphuai tarik ha Glory Plaza yau Tibet bat bhutia ban persha ya ka jingle ka Sorkar China.
From our side, since if the video is doctored, if the video is tailored, then all we can ask is whoever is getting hurt, all we can ask is see the entire clip or the entire function what has happened. Actually, in the clip, the boy, people are suggesting that the boy has been harassed, but the boy, that boy in the video clip spoke to 2 media houses and he is absolutely fine, and his mother was also there at the function, and his mother has no problem, and not even that, she is blessed to receive blessing from His Holiness the Dalai Lama, and she has been looking forward for that even for a very long time. So there has been no accusation of any sort from the mother and the boy. So I think it is a baseless accusation from those who got hurt, I think. Through this event, we are asking all people to watch the entire video if you guys are hurt, and by watching entire video we believe you will not misinterpret the video, and hence the defamation should be stopped. Defamation of His Holiness the Dalai Lama should be stopped, as we believe the viral clip is instigated by pro-Chinese sources and is also proven.